It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Take it for a test drive today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.